In the last class, we started working and see some
Sorry.
process. Yes.
You know, petty cash
Yes. That's cash at
is
hand.
cash at hand.
Yes.
You know, it changes because
Yeah.
as I'm seeing it at the in the
Petty cash.
balance sheet now.
Yes. Yes.
This figure it changes almost every time.
Yes,
Once
yes.
money coming in,
Yeah.
so
So we want
this
money to
will
come
only
in
show.
now.
This will only show at the end, as at that day.
Yes,
you are-
as at that time. Yes.
Okay.
So if you want to see the
All the
breakdown,
present,
you
okay,
double click.
click it.
I will now see. Can you see? It started with opening balance of 8,500, but it ended up with this. So what you are seeing is current balance. Is that taking? So right now our petty cash is getting low, and we have a need maybe to pay wages to some of these things, and the amount is getting to maybe 40 something thousand naira. Okay, for those laborers and some other stuff or money. So the accountant or whoever gives check to somebody to go and withdraw. Okay, you withdraw it, you keep it here before you now pay it out. Do you understand? So let's say the money comes out from UBA, right?
Okay.
To petty cash,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So how do we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see now this is involved two cash accounts.
Yes.
So which one will you debit, which one will you credit? That's the first thing you need to know. All you need to know is that the one that is collecting the money, right? You debit it. So that one sounds an expensive in that sense. It's not expensive, but because you have two cash accounts in the vehicle, right? That's how it is. We simply you are debiting the petty cash and you are crediting the bank. Do you get it? So when you have two cash accounts, do you understand? You have to identify the two parties. Okay? So quickly let's do that. Our journal is still going to help us how to do that. So all you just have to do is go to your journal entry, journal entry. So what do I say? Cash withdraw, cash transfer. If you transfer, cash transfer. If you withdraw, cash withdraw. Any English it is. Okay? Cash withdrawal. Okay? So this is cash withdrawal. So I'm going to the more description down here. So I need the two accounts. So I'll select my petty cash account. Right? So I can say petty cash or impress, any English are using it. Petty cash reimburse. Okay? How do you write that again? Reimburse. Okay. From UBA, whatever. Do you understand? You can write if it is check or anything. You can write the check number, just all those things. Even though the person that they sent, if they give somebody, write the person's names, all those stuff, just to help yourself. Maybe how much? 55,000 naira, right? Okay. So where is the money coming from? UBA, right? Ready 55,000. Chicken. Safe. Right? So if you go to your report back, your report, remember, balance sheet. For this time, we'll be checking all those things to see how it was. Now you see, we have 4,000 before, that's increased. So if you come to the UBA now, something has taken place. This is the opening balance. It was not up to that again because something has taken place. So you see how the money comes in as it goes out from one account to another. How it's being spent. Okay? So at this point, you want to ask a question? Yeah.
Now, you know, these bank charges.
Yes.
You won't have when there's such transaction. Assuming
Yeah, when it's transaction like this happen, they will not give you the bank charges
Yes.
at the end of the month from your financial from your statement of accounts. So at the end of the month,
there's need for you to have it.
so you are going to
every
have
month.
yes, definitely.
Now, for
As an
instance-
account, you need to ask for that.
Okay. For instance, now the charges
Yes,
was
bank
going to
charges,
be-
expenses. So you are going to create an
Does it
account
mean-
called
for
bank charge
Okay,
as
you
an
have
expenses. So at the end of the month, COT, their bank charges.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
At the end of the month, they will give your company alert on COT. Most of the CEO, MDs, they used to be reluctant by even reduce some of the information to the accountant. But how does that, from my experience, how do accountants help? accountant create an email for complaint and the MD sign to a form, a letter headed, taken to the bank that we want to be received statements on this particular email. So the bank are forwarding the statement every month to that email. So with that process, accountant doesn't need to ask. So at the end of the month, accountant print out the statements from the bank, calculate all the COT, and call description bank charges for the month of. That's all. Because they don't give the bank charge COT on transaction daily, but they don't record it.
Yes.
On your transaction immediately till the end of the month.
Of course.
So it's at that point before you can also record.
So we will now have to create that
account called bank charges. Do you understand? As a chart of accounts.
Because in your ledger, in your general ledger now, it doesn't come in. And when you see it, is at the end. So how do you now insert it so as the date, to know the date that this, maybe the charge was taken on the 15th or 17th, but you only see it on the 30th.
Yes.
So I mean, to go in line with the date that is already, the transaction comes last.
Yes, the transaction comes last. What happens is that anytime, look at this, that's all this are already been taken care of. Anytime I want to do a transaction like that, generally, you have a general journal. The date is subjected to change, not fixed. Just quickly. Do you understand?
Other you've already recorded other things.
Yes.
Assuming from here to here. Right?
Yes.
And it happened that this one we are talking about is supposed to be somewhere here.
No, it's not necessary that they are all in the same field. You open another one. I'll do an example to do that right now. Okay? So basically first now, we want to pay some laborers, our workers.
Yes.
Do you understand? Wages. Right? So you can say, maybe plumbing. Okay? Do you understand?
So
example.
Put it in the reference.
Specify. It's very, very important. It helps you. Okay? Or plumbing wage. Do you understand? So that you understand from the reference. You know what it is. So you click it out. So you go to wages. Right? If you don't have it, you create it. Okay? Do you understand? Okay? Wage for Saka. Right? Plumber. At what's the name of the project? Do you understand? At Shiroro. I don't know.
Yeah.
At Shiroro building or contracts. Okay? For whatever. Just specify what is you pay for to help you out. The report will always come with this stuff. So how much do you pay Saka for that plumbing work? Right? Let's say 23,450. Right? So and Saka say, give me my money cash. You are paying for the money that they are being reimbursed with your petty cash, or even though it is to bank. So anywhere it's coming from, the money, this kind of money can be from the bank, can be anywhere it's coming from. But for example, I want to assume that it's coming from petty. Do you understand? So anywhere it's coming from, just select the account. Then 23,450. Do you understand? And you save. For example, now let's say at the end of the month, UBA, right? You have so many banks.
Yes.
So as you're having bank charges, you don't calculate the bank charges for all the banks together as one.
Okay.
Don't do that mistakes.
Do
you understand? Everything is going under bank charges. You don't post it together in one window like this. So for example now, maybe I want to say UBA, what's it called? UBA COT. Right? So once I see these dates, I know that it's for the August. Right? You can also do the description. So here now, all I need to do is what? I'll come to this place now and do what? Find bank charges if I have it. If I don't have it, there is no problem. So it's not here, pure. So I'll just click on a new X00. What's the last one that I have there? 41. Okay, as a bank charges. Very simple. That is why we created this stuff from scratch, so that we know how to work with it. Right? That's why we don't use already made. Do you understand? expenses. Save it. You are good to go. So once you just look down, S0041 bank charges. You understand? UBA COT for the month of July. Okay? 2015. Right? But you don't have August, you have August in September. Right? 2015, you come there. How much? 25,000. Right? 25,000. Okay. 25,743. Okay? You get it? So definitely this money, since you say UBA, must come out of UBA. It's not coming from any other account. It's not that no.
Yes.
Do you get that?
Yes.
So it's UBA. You get it? Yeah. Unlike petty cash or anything like that. This one must be UBA. It must be that bank account. That's what I say. You don't post the same thing together. So you can have something like 25,000. Okay? 743. Okay? So if you want to use the same window to post all the COT, so carry again the same account S0041, which is also COT. So you can set GT Bank COT for the month of July, right? That is you want to use the same note. Yes. Maybe it comes the same day.
Yes.
Or you are doing this process the same time. Select GT Bank. Change this guy to GTB. Right? How much is this? Maybe 15,423. So you just come here, 15,423. Another bank. Debit and credit. And you save. You just save for bank charges. Is that clear? Thank you. In the next class, we are still going to work on see some other stuff that used to happen with fund transfer, general journal, and see some reports of what we have done so far. Thank you for listening.